welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little tutorial on how I prep and prime my face before I start any makeup. And the first step that I usually do is I make sure my hands are completely clean, because I am gonna be touching my face a lot and I do not want to break out because I have oils on my hands that will make me break out. So what I did today, I actually started by using this gentle smoothing oatmeal scrub from St. Ives. It's supposed to smooth away any dryness or any skin that's on your face. I did use this, and I usually start off with a primer, and I'm gonna be using the Nurture by Nature primer. I just got this. One of my best friends just gave it to me because she didn't know how she felt about it, so she's like, oh, test it out for me, and I was like, okay, for sure. So I'm gonna go in with like a couple pumps on my fingers. I used the 2 pumps, and I'm just gonna gently go in with my fingers on my face. Once you are done priming your face, I usually go in with the rose water that I bought at Ulta. This is really good stuff. If you do not have this, you should definitely go and buy some, because this is honestly the best. It's honestly so hydrating for your skin, like so good. So you want to go in with like a couple sprays, not too much, but enough. So I'm just gonna let that sit in a little bit, let it dry before I start anything else. But this is usually what I do before I start any type of makeup. And for today's video, I did use this primer and this setting spray and priming spray. But you can use any of your own sprays, because I also have this little pack of hydrating sprays that I bought at Marshall's, and they are also really good. There's like a rose water plus aloe white tea and aloe green tea. I don't know, but they're pretty good. They're like small. Let me show you. They're small, like little travel sizes, and they're really good. So you can go in with your... This is all for this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure to ask in the section down below. I will make sure to answer anything for anyone. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.